Well, sometimes I like when I get blocked and stuff from Instagram because it limits the amount of things that I could do. It limit like the energy that I'm putting in my lives over there. Even though I love doing lives. I love reaching out to people. I love talking to people. But it gives me time to reflect on other things sometimes the less time I have to go on. And one thing I realize is you got to pay attention to what and who is surrounding you. You got to pay attention to energies because energies don't lie. Because my thing is, if you are always doing everything, doing things and doing everything for everybody, you're not going to be able to see who does for you when you can't do for yourself. You understand what I'm saying? Then you got some people, like me, I have this thing in my head. I know one hand can't clap. I'm not a people person, but when I'm always elevating, I'm always trying to give people information and bring them along with me, which isn't an easy thing to do because you can't save everybody. And sometimes you'll turn around and you'll just they'll tell you, say, you help somebody out and tell them certain things. It's either you chat too much or you think you know everything. Or if you know that, why you not do it for yourself? Or, oh, that girl a bad mind, who should I talk to? Oh, certain little thing, you're always going to get negative feedback. But one thing I realize is, though, every time I'm elevating, I always pull people up. It comes effortlessly for me to share, repost, a live, a post, or to comment or press like. Little things like that. It comes effortlessly to me. Like, that's nothing. For me, for someone to have a business and I repost it and I, give a shout out or, show appreciation. But I noticed that some people take this numbers and and they feel like because they have a name on Instagram, like that's who defines them. Me on social media cannot never define the person that I really am. You'll never completely see me. And I'm real. I'm real where I share my life and I share certain things with people and I go through certain experiences and I'll tell people and they're surprised that I actually talk about it. So they say that I'm realer than some people. But that's not even it for me. The part for me is that, and it's not like I know I'm going to be disappointed and I know no one is ever going to show me the love that I showed people. That's how I feel. I don't feel there's nobody going to ever show me certain love or have a certain mind frame that I have in people. Even when I'm not a people person and I'm kind of standoffish and I don't take on to everybody because I'm big on energy and vibes. But let me tell you something. Nobody's bigger than anybody. Nobody's bigger than anybody. And I keep telling y'all, stop getting caught up with people's control content. Stop getting caught up with when y'all see pictures and a person is traveling or you think they happy or they live in life. Sometimes these people are the most miserable people. Stop it. Stop thinking you done paid all your bills and you broke. And you're not doing what you're supposed to do because you can't book a flight. You don't have any extra money. You took care of your responsibilities. You paid your bills. That's what you did. You're not broke. You took care of your responsibilities. You don't know what half these people is doing to get where they at or what they actually really have or how they actually feel in life. But it's me, I know say, today for you, tomorrow for me. All when me up to them, it can be done tomorrow. But the difference is, as I'm elevating, I'm pulling up. Everybody act like it's so hard to pull each other up. Most people don't want to pull somebody up because unless it's a motive. You know what y'all looking at? How many likes that person have? How many numbers that person have? Oh, so-and-so know this person. That's what y'all do on the internet. And it's crazy to me. Whatever happened to telling a whole group of people that have a little, a small business? Let's get together and all of us, let's put up each other posts and stuff like that. Let's push each other. So me one thing, them something that come naturally to me. And another thing, I noticed lately a lot of people are asking me to repost and put up stuff and do this and do that. Y'all never post me. Y'all don't repost me. Y'all have never took off none of my business page because I put up a naked thing. Yeah, everybody gonna like it. But y'all never took none of my business posts and said, here, put it on your post. And even your story, we're not even gonna stay up there for 24 hours. But then on running on my thing, no. Money, put up this, put up that. And from the other day, I've been watching it. And I tell everybody, I support who support me. I rate who rate me. I show who show me love. Not only the likes. Yes, everybody can press like. Likes can't feed me. Numbers can't feed me. My numbers is not going to be inspirational to somebody else. How about when I tell everybody I got small businesses, send me a post. Send me a post so I can put it up. Send me a post so other people can see it. Even if it's one person that see it. I may not have a lot of followers, but at least one person see it makes a difference. That's one more person knowing about your business and probably going to tell somebody else. Don't get caught up in social media. Don't get caught up in social media. Social media is a place of control content. Don't compare your reality to non-reality. Don't do it. Because like I said, I could be up tomorrow and I drop and I'm on the ground. And when you on the ground, you got nowhere but to go back. But I would like to think when I'm laying on that ground that there's somebody going to stretch out their hand. Preferably somebody that I've helped. That will look at me and say, Money, come, get up. Your time. Where you do down there, some Momo? Come here. And it's like a chain reaction. Momo. And then it'll be somebody and somebody say, Momo, come here. Where you do down here? Let me pull her up. And that one person, they probably can't pull me up by themselves. So they're going to have somebody else pull me up. And somebody else pull me up. And before I know it, I'm back in my position. Probably move further in my position. So that's the funny thing. Humble yourself. Pay attention. Because you see, everybody you think you're passing when you're coming up, those are the same people you have to pass when you're coming down. You understand? So like I said, I personally would love to think that, yes, I'm on the floor. And somebody that I've helped, preferably. And sometimes, you know, the energies is different. It may be somebody that you never helped, but they see how you are. And they see how you operate. And they say, hey, you know some money down there, sir? Let me pull her up. Because that's not how she stay. I remember the time when I saw her pull up somebody else. One team, one dream. A lot of y'all don't understand that. A lot of y'all know the world is a selfish place. Most people do not do stuff for no reason. Most people do stuff for a cause, a reaction, what they can get from, you know, a situation. Y'all got to be humble. Sometimes you have to be humble. Sometimes you have to lock off everything and all the noise around you. Pay attention to what you're doing. Pay attention to where you're coming from. Because remember, sir, you can't forget where you're going. You can't forget where you're coming from if you pay attention to where you're going. Because you have to look back and see where you come from to acknowledge where you're going. And that's a big thing for me. And you know, I hear a little chitter chatter sometimes. Oh, you change, you're this and you're that. Social media can never change me. Social media cannot change a person that is used to always winning and losing, winning and losing, winning and losing. Because it always makes me humble. Social media, see, and me, social media is all about facade. I want to see what my bank account really look like. That's what I want to know. I don't want to put up pictures, oh, I have money, I'm rich and this and that, and my bank account empty. Me don't want to put up a facade, oh, I'm happily over in a happy relationship, and every minute me I argue the person dying inside. That don't make sense to me. Me don't want to come put up and say, yeah, oh, I'm a feminist and I'm not doing this, and I got a man being disrespectful to me and talking down at me. You understand? I don't want to be on social media talking about motherhood and I don't know what to do with my own children. You understand what I'm saying? There's a lot of hypocrisy on the internet. Y'all can't look at other people's controlled content and make it define you. You understand what I'm saying? You don't really know what's going on. I could be in this bed dying from depression and put up a happy video or something, or put up a post with the laughing emoji. You notice most of the time we read a joke, we don't even laugh anymore, but we put up a laughing emoji and our face is straight as hell. Perfect example. It's okay not being okay sometimes. It's okay. You understand what I'm saying? And some of y'all use your platforms. There's a time and a place for everything. Yes, I talk crap sometimes. I'll talk crap. I'll talk certain things. I'll say this and I'll say that. But I really hold meds. I really hold different meditations. I really hold different conversations pertaining to serious stuff. And then you could tell. You know what I hate? They say that sometimes you got to change your circle. I could be talking serious, something serious, and a person just coming and they on a whole different topic of crap. I'm having a serious discussion and you coming. Sometimes it's good to not be seen. Better you just not be heard. Just listen. Because y'all don't make any sense. You don't serve any purpose. Sometimes for knowing this stuff, I tell you, the internet is a funny place. Today you could be a sensation and tomorrow nobody look at you. And if you're defined by that feeling of what you get by a like, if a like and views define you, you still don't know nothing about life. If people posts are defining you or affecting how you feel, to feel like, you know, oh, you're better than people, or you're not reached nowhere yet. You have a soul search. It's something you got to look in within yourself. But this was just a quick video. A little motivational speech. And like I said, it's okay not to be okay. It's okay to shut down sometimes. It's okay to tune everybody out. It's okay to stand your ground. It's okay to have boundaries with family and friends. You don't like something, you talk about it. You say it, you let them know. You don't continue to sit down and let people be opportunists and take liberty of you. It's okay to use your voice. You understand? It's okay to feel some type of way and you say it to them without being seen as the angry person. Because sometimes people are not even used to have no sense of the behavior that they're doing until you say it to them out loud in the real world. But anyway, so subscribe, like, share. Big up on yourself. And this is the start of me making videos. Yeah, this was, you know, a little motivational little topic. You know, when things hit my brain, I'm just going to hit record and share with you guys. All right. Big up yourself. Some feel pon alive.